In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. That no connection message simply means MT5 can't reach your broker's servers, so prices won't update and you can't trade. We'll walk through reliable fixes in a logical order, starting with your internet and moving towards settings inside the platform. First, confirm your internet is working. Open a couple of websites in your browser and make sure they load quickly. If they don't, restart your router or modem and wait a minute before trying again. MT5 needs a stable connection, so fix any network issues before changing anything in the platform. Next, try a quick server refresh inside MT5. Look at the bottom right corner of the platform where it shows the connection status. Click the status area and choose Rescan Servers, sometimes labeled Network Rescan. Give it a few seconds to search. This forces MT5 to recheck your broker's servers and often restores the connection without further steps. If you still see no connection, make sure you're actually logged in and pointing to the correct server. Go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your account number, your password, and choose the exact server for your account type, demo or live, as provided by your broker. The server name must match what's shown in your broker's dashboard or welcome message. Double-check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on. Click OK and watch the bottom right status to confirm it connects. If it doesn't, restart MT5. Close the platform completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. A clean start can clear temporary glitches. Still no luck? Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking MT5. Open your security software and add MetaTrader 5, typically the terminal 64.exe file, to the allowed or exceptions list. Restart MT5 and test. If you're unsure, you can briefly disable the firewall or antivirus to test the connection, then turn it back on right away if that solves the problem. If you're on a public, office, or school network, the network itself may be blocking trading traffic. Switch to a home Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot temporarily to see if MT5 connects. If it does, the original network is likely restricting access. Finally, make sure your MT5 is up to date. In MT5, go to Help, then About to check the version. Download the latest installer from your broker or the official MetaTrader site, reinstall, and log in again. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back online and seeing live prices.